Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Think Study and Learn YouTube channel. My name is Mohammed Nafees Naveed and I'm the founder and director of Think Study and Learn. आज हम बात करेंगे कि आप MDCAT, ECAT या किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्री टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए Think Study and Learn को क्यों चूज करें? So why TSL? First of all, we are the first ever company to introduce AI-powered books of ECAT and MDCAT. So इसका मतलब अगर आपको कुछ समझ ना आए तो फौरन हमारा QR कोड स्कैन करें, वो आपको उस वीडियो में ले जाएगा जिसमें आपको मदद चाहिए, उसे समझें, सीखें और अपनी तैयारी मुकम्मल करें। इसके अलावा अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो तो फौरन हमारे चैटबॉट से पूछें, वो आपको उसका जवाब फौरन प्रोवाइड करेगा। All the content is taught by top quality graduates of NUMS, GIK, UET and ComStats under my supervision, as I have many years of teaching experience in NUMS and GIK. We are the only platform to provide latest technology to date, which includes AI chatbot feature, voice-to-voice chatbot feature, thousands of recorded video lectures, live lectures, pre-assessment papers, post-assessment papers, all major universities, English and Urdu podcast of all chapters for each and every subject, and WhatsApp feature, all included in one application to help you learn in leaps and bounds. Now, don't just take my words for it, see what other leading faculty members have to say about this platform. Download the application now and get started in just 60 seconds. Thank you, Jazakallah, and all the best for your university entry test preparation.